Hey, this video is on how to charge up your battery on your motorcycle in case you left the, on your Honda Shadow here, just in case you left the key in the on position like me. So what you want to do here, there's a couple things to look at. It's in this, the battery's right behind the side panel, right underneath the seat here. But you're gonna need the key. This unlocks it too. Right here. Okay, so you do that one. That hook down off of there. Now the next thing to go for is right here. And so I got this bit right here, and it is a 10 millimeter. So screw right off of there. Okay, now it'll just pop out. See that right there? Those little socket things go right in there. Now, I'm just gonna hook up I'm gonna get a flathead and hook up the battery charger cables to this. I'm just using a little 1.5 amp battery charger. 10 mil, loosen this baby up, put the negative one on this one. Okay, black for negative. I'm just gonna put that on there and screw them both in. All right, we are charging. There's the setup. And so this battery even says here standard, right there, 1.5 amps at 5 to 10 hours for standard. Quick, you can do it 6 amp charger, but I'm gonna go low and slow on this one. And so here, our output is 1.5 amps, 1.5 amps there. Actually, that says 1.2 amps, but anyway, close enough. All right, we'll try it in a few hours, preferably overnight. All right.